Hey there! Is your iPhone's keypad or dial pad giving you trouble during phone calls? If you have noticed that the dial pad is grayed out, not showing, or just not working at all after receiving a call, don't worry. I have got some quick and easy fixes that should help you sort it out. Let's dive into these solutions and get your iPhone back in shape. Solution 1. Remove third-party dialer and stick to Apple Dialer. If you have installed any third-party dialer apps on your iPhone, it's a good idea to remove them. After you have removed the third-party dialer, or if you have never had one installed, go ahead and restart your iPhone. Check if the issue persists. If it does, try the next solutions. Solution 2. Turn off dialer reaction on iPhone. Start by opening your Settings app. Scroll down a bit and tap on Screen Time. Keep scrolling down until you find Content and Privacy Restrictions and tap on it. Now, toggle off the Content and Privacy Restrictions feature. Solution 3. Update your dialer app. Open your Settings app. Scroll down and tap on General. Scroll again and tap on Software Update. If there is an update available, go ahead and install it. If there is no update available, go back to the previous menu. Scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Then select Reset All Settings. This will only reset your network settings and won't delete any of your data, just restoring settings to default. After completing these steps, your issue should be resolved. If you still have any questions or need further help, drop a comment below. Thanks for tuning in.